Okay guys, I'm so excited because we're at the 2018 Automation Fair event in Philadelphia, and the top companies in industrial automation are here showing off their technology. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is Southwire, and I'm here talking with Steve. So for those who don't know, tell us what you do.
Well, Southwire is one of the world's largest manufacturers of wire and cable. We make everything from low voltage cables to the utility line cables. So we do the full range, and we're showing off mostly our factory automation cables here at the fair.
And you guys have a lot of expertise. Tell me about VFD cable.
Well, VFD cable is one of the very important cables in our line. We actually just got VFD cable and some of our machine tray cables onto Rockwell's proposal work system. So it makes customers, gives them easier access to be able to see all of our products. VFD cables are very important because they eliminate a lot of common problems on the factory floor. They help reduce problems with motors that relate to premature motor failure. They help reduce problems, intermittent problems people see with communications and control equipment, and they also actually eliminate drive problems too. You can actually reduce drive fault trips and increase your uptime simply by using a cable that's designed to go from the inverter to the motor.
And drives are a key technology in almost any plant, so cables are as important as well. So what's one thing an engineer should know about VFD cables?
Well, something a lot of people don't understand is if you buy a VFD cable, you spend more money on a VFD cable, but you don't terminate it properly, you've thrown away a lot of that money because you're not maximizing the performance of that cable. So how you terminate those cables is very important. We've got some exciting things that we're going to be introducing soon in regards to cable termination. Contact Southwire for more information.
That sounds good, and you can go to the URL you see on the screen for more information. They have a lot of good information, educational information to share. So learn from them, and we'll see you next time at Automation Fair. I'm Teresa Hauk.